The Khasi Jaintia Butchers Association, in collaboration with the Fkjgp, formally submitted a letter of opposition to the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, R.M. Kurba, to expressing their strong objection to the forthcoming of the Gwadwaj Sthapana Bharat Yatra rally. Following a meeting with Deputy Commissioner, Fkjgp President and Khjgp advisor DC Khongsit addressed the media, explaining that the organization's letter aimed to convey their vehement opposition to the rally's central theme of declaring the cow the mother of the nation.
Lawan banyak kendu ya Deputy Commissioner dari East Khasi Hills. Halo, jong kajing temu ban pelong itu ki seng Sydney Hindu ya kata rally ban penpau ya kata jing snow ke jongki ba kata masih ketika belai ha kajing net ke jongki tengi hi kemuka jatben rio ke ba babam dok masih ba te kalong ke ba bom skotlan ban alat ya kita ki Sydney Hindu begin wan saya ka jala ke jongi saya ni ke ri ke jongi manwan ban warak man ta punya Sydney man hakaba ala pan penlong man kadono ka jing ya phejaj bin rio hakani ke jala ke jongi.
As part of the